Okay, so what if you could decode the secret formula behind any successful YouTube channel? Today, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to use a totally free AI tool from Google to reverse engineer what works and turn that insight into your very own repeatable strategy for success. It's the one question that keeps every creator up at night. You see a new channel pop up in your niche, and bam, they're suddenly pulling in millions of views. On the surface, their videos look pretty simple, but you just know there's a deeper strategy at play. So what is it? How are they doing it? Well, here's the secret. It's not luck, not at all. It's a blueprint. Behind every single one of those viral channels is a very specific set of hooks, video structures, and storytelling patterns that are all designed to keep you glued to the screen. And you know the best part? That blueprint can be decoded. And that's our starting point, Section 1, the Success Blueprint. We are going to walk through the exact process of using AI to analyze what's already working, so you can pull out that winning formula and build a totally original content strategy right from the ground up. Now, the tool that's at the heart of all this is called Notebook LM. It's a free research assistant from Google, but here's the thing that makes it so perfect for us. You can train it on your own sources. You just feed it a list of successful YouTube videos, and it becomes this specialized AI brain that deeply understands what actually works in your niche. So that brings us to Section 2, building your content brain. This is the first big phase, right? This is where we gather all the raw intelligence, and we train our AI on what success really looks like. The process here is super simple, but you gotta be deliberate. First, find a channel that's just crushing it in your niche. Next, copy the URLs of their most popular videos. This is the raw data for our AI. Then you just hop into Notebook LM, create a new project, and paste those URLs right in. The AI automatically grabs the transcripts from every single video, creating this amazing library. And last, just give it a clear name, something like Finance Content Hub, so your brain stays organized. All right, Section 3. The AI Idea Factory. So our brain is built, it's loaded up with data from all this top-performing content. Now for the really, really fun part, turning this analytical engine into a nonstop idea machine. This right here, this is where the magic happens. You don't just ask for a simple summary. No way. You give the AI a powerful, detailed prompt like this one, telling it to do a deep analysis. You're basically saying, find the entire success formula. Tell me who their audience is, what hooks they use, how they structure their videos, all of it. And look at what it gives you back. This is why it's so much more powerful than just, watching some videos for inspiration. The AI delivers a structured breakdown of the channel's entire playbook. It tells you exactly who they're talking to, the main topics they always come back to, the patterns in their hooks, even how their thumbnails are designed. You get the whole secret sauce, laid out and ready for you to use. Now, this next step is absolutely critical. The goal here is not to copy their videos. Instead, you ask the AI to generate original video ideas that are built on the winning formula it just figured out. This is the key, right? You're creating unique content that's already engineered for a high chance of success. And that leads us right into Section 4, from script to video. We've got our list of original data-backed ideas. So now let's see how we can turn one of those ideas into a full script and even a draft video, all inside the same tool. The workflow here is really straightforward. First, just pick the idea you're most excited about. Then, ask Notebook LM to write a full script. Okay, now for a crucial step, human review. You have to read the script and edit it. The AI might accidentally leave in a reference to the original channel or something like that. Once you've polished it up, you save it as a new source inside your project. And this last action is key because it unlocks a really cool feature. See, by turning your script into a source, you've just unlocked Notebook LM's built-in video generator. Now, with just a couple of clicks, the AI will create a complete visual draft of your video with relevant images and an AI voiceover, all based on the script you just finalized. Pretty cool, right? But it's really important to understand the trade-offs here. The built-in video tool is fantastic for quickly seeing how a concept might look, but it uses snippets from your script. It's not going to be a word-for-word reading. For total creative control, using your own voice, perfecting every single edit, controlling the pace, you're still going to want to take that finished script to a dedicated video editor. Okay, so let's zoom out and look at the big picture for a second. This isn't just a bunch of cool tricks, it's a complete, repeatable system for making content that can dramatically speed up the entire process, from that first spark of an idea all the way to the final video. So the whole workflow really breaks down into 5 simple stages. 1, deconstruct. You feed the AI the source videos. 2. Analyze. You tell it to pull out the success blueprint. 3. Ideate. You generate original concepts from that blueprint. 4. Script. You turn one of those ideas into a full narrative. And finally, 5. Create. You produce the final video, whether that's a quick draft inside the tool or a polished piece you export. And the efficiency of this system is where it becomes a total game changer. Seriously, following this workflow, you can sit down and generate 10 or even more solid data-backed video ideas. And each one is built on a proven formula for success in under an hour. Just think about what that does for your ability to create content.
So there you have it, a complete AI-powered blueprint for reverse engineering what works on YouTube and building your own strategy on that foundation. The only real question left is, what successful blueprint are you going to decode first?